In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple Chrome browsers and manage different accounts simultaneously on the same PC. This is a really useful tool for anyone juggling multiple responsibilities, like managing work and personal tasks, or perhaps handling different roles that require their own distinct browser settings. To kick things off, let's talk about what you need to do first. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're signed in with one of your existing profiles or create a new one if this is your first time. Having a profile set up is crucial because it keeps all your browsing history, bookmarks, and extensions neatly organized within that profile. To create a new profile, you can simply click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then select Add to go through the steps. It's quite straightforward. Next, once you have your profile open, you're going to navigate to that same top right corner where you'll find the profile picture or icon. Give that a click. What you'll see is a drop-down menu displaying all the different profiles available to you. If you need to access another Chrome browser for a different account, go ahead and select the desired profile from this menu. This action will open a new window running independently with all the settings and accounts tied to the profile you selected. It's a seamless way to manage separate facades of your digital life without crossing over into other areas inadvertently. This setup empowers you to efficiently streamline your workflow. For instance, you can keep one profile logged into your work accounts where all your important emails and project trackers live, while utilizing another for personal use where your social media and online shopping tabs are a click away. The best part is that these profiles operate completely independently, meaning logging into a website in one profile doesn't log you out in another. When implementing this, remember to use distinct profile names and pictures for easy identification. This little tip goes a long way in making the switch between profiles quicker and reduces any mix-ups. I'd highly recommend maintaining this organization as it naturally evolves into a more efficient system. Thanks to Chrome's synchronization feature, your settings and customizations within each profile get automatically updated as long as you're signed in, making it really easy whenever you switch devices. Whether you're at a desk or on the go, having your personalized space just to log in away is undeniably convenient. If you're someone who needs focused sessions during work, consider using extensions like productivity timers and ad blockers, which can be added separately by profile depending on necessity. By making these small adjustments, you'll find yourself navigating your online world with much greater ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.